County in Big Bend, Florida, Central Liberty County in Big Bend, Florida, Southwestern Leon County in Big Bend, Florida, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 17 miles southeast of Bloodstown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crawfordville, East Camp, Jewel Fire Tower, Brown House, Leon Sinks, Villas, Aron, Jensen Place, Hilliardville, Central City, Tully, Clio, Poplar Camp, Smith Creek, Nixon Garden, and Helen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Leon, Liberty, and Wakulla. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:15